Welcome to How to Heroes. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your laptop battery. So make sure you're plugged in at the mains and that your laptop is shut down and nothing is running. So we're going to flip our laptop over to look at the underneath. You can see there is a panel here. This is where most laptop batteries are kept. If you look at the side, it's also where the power connection is. So to release the battery from the laptop, there's usually two slides. It may vary on different ones, but this one identifies the battery even with the battery logo here. So all we have to do to release the battery is to slide these and out pops the battery. Just like this. So make sure that you've purchased a compatible battery to replace. So make sure that you purchased a compatible battery that will work for your laptop. To do that, you need to search online and for your model type of the laptop. So they will come in anti-static bags. So just take it out, make sure the two slides are on open, and then match it up to the slots, and then slide it in, and then make sure you've locked the battery in place, and there you go. You've now replaced your laptop battery. So you can turn it on to test it out. And voila, it is working. So hopefully this video has helped you out. Consider subscribing to How to Heroes for more videos on how to do things. Thank you for watching.